Upon installation, you'll find your welcome pack, which contains your lock instructions. There may be subtle variations based off hardware upgrades, but let's go through the important user functionality to ensure that you're using your lock to its optimum capability. For any lock configuration, we always do this with the door open but the bolts out to mimic the safe being locked. Currently, the only code that is set up is the manager code. The manager code can control the whole lock, but you can only change the manager code if you know the current code. On this lock, you have one user code. The user code will open the lock, but can only be changed if the code is known. The manager code can add and delete the user code. Let's open the safe. As per the instructions, we know that our default manager code is 123456. Your manager code will always be a 6-digit code. Input the current manager code. You will hear a double beep. Within 10 seconds, turn the keypad clockwise. Turn the handle if you have one and carefully pull the door open. Let's close the safe. Carefully close the door. If you have one, turn the handle fully. Now turn the keypad back to its horizontal position. If you have a handle, test that the door is locked by gently turning the handle a few times. Now that we know the basic functionality of the safe, let's add a user code. The user code is a 6-digit code. We will do this first, as if we get it wrong, we can always erase the code and start again by utilising the manager code. With the door open and the bolts out, hold down the number 1 until you hear a double beep. Enter the manager code. You will hear a double beep. Enter your new 6-digit user code. You will hear a double beep again. Enter the user code again. The last double beep and the light going out indicates that the code has been changed. We would recommend testing this code 3 times with the door of the safe open to ensure that the code is correct. Now let's delete the user code. Hold down the number 3 on the keypad. You will hear a double beep. Enter the manager code. This double beep and the light going out indicates that the user code has been deleted. Only the manager code can delete a user code. Now that we know how to successfully change a code, let's change the manager code. With the door open and the bolts out, hold down the 0 until you hear a double beep. Enter the current manager code, which we know is 123456. After the double beep, enter your new 6-digit manager code. The next double beep indicates to input the new manager code again. After the last double beep and when the LED light goes out, you know that the manager code has been changed. We recommend to test this code a few times with the door of the safe open. Let's change the battery on your Pulse 2 electronic lock. Your battery compartment is located at the bottom of your keypad under the lock. You will find 2 grooves in the battery clip, which you can use to gently pull the clip off the lock. Without damaging the battery cables, disconnect the head of the battery. With your new battery, reconnect the head and insert it back into the lock. Secure the battery clip back into place.